where do we see Bitcoin going at the end of 2022? That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to talk about a few of the recent happenings with Bitcoin and give you my estimate for where Bitcoin's going to go at the end of 2022. Now, I've had Bitcoin for a couple of years now. I've been through some of the rises and falls, and here's what I think is going to happen here. So recently with the infrastructure bill, they are basically introducing provisions to increase the taxation of cryptocurrencies. So what does that mean? It means that all the brokers have to report, surprise, surprise, all the transactions to the IRS. And this is not surprising to me at all, and it shouldn't surprise you either. So if you are using any sort of exchange where you had to provide information, obviously that information is going to be conveyed to the IRS. It's for you to report your capital gains or losses. But why is this potentially a good thing? Well, I think this is potentially a good thing because for me, this is something that I've had to report all along anyways. But also, it's good because it legitimizes Bitcoin and it legitimizes cryptocurrencies. It further decreases the risk that these are going to be straight up outlawed by the United States. So where do we see Bitcoin coming from here? Well, Bitcoin just recently went up to 41,000 and I think it's down to 38,000 right now. I could see it going back down potentially to low 30s again, but I don't see it going below 30,000 ever again. No, that's kind of a big statement, but I really don't see it going below 30,000 unless there's going to be a huge stock market crash. And people are literally trying to liquidate to get food or buy really cheap stocks. I see Bitcoin going to above 100,000 by next year. Before the end of December 2022, I see Bitcoin going above 100,000 per Bitcoin. So, as I'm not a financial advisor, so this is just my personal opinion. But from what I'm seeing and people adopting it, and based on the supply cap of $21 million or 21 million Bitcoin ever to be circulated, it's already been banned in China, so you don't have to worry about that again happening. If anything, I think it'll be adopted by more people in more countries, especially as inflation starts to pick up. Now, I didn't say that it'd be worth 100,000 US dollars in today's dollars, because I expect the US dollar to fall in value. But in the nominal sense, I do believe Bitcoin will be over 100,000 by the end of 2022. Let me know if you guys agree, disagree, if I'm just crazy. But I really don't see Bitcoin going below 30,000 ever again.